Hey, what is up you guys? It's your boy Jason and welcome back to MyGlamm. Today I'm going to show you guys how to put fake lashes. I'm usually a person who uses individual lashes, but today I'm going to do strip lashes. Add a little black or a deeper brown on my tight line. So when I put the strip lash, you cannot see the strip and it just blends with my natural lash line. So the reason why I personally like to use a black eyeshadow instead of a black liner is because I find it way more softer as compared to a stark black Kajal pencil, and I think it's perfect when the glue blends in with the shadow and your lash line, so it looks way more natural even when it's fake. So I'm gonna take the lash and I like to tease the lash. Now there are two ways that you can tease a lash. One, you wiggle it this way so that it takes the shape of your eye, or you wrap it around your index finger like so and you press it so that it gets a little more flexible. So once you're done teasing your lash, I would add glue to it. I personally like to take an adhesive glue that is latex and is transparent, and I like to add a very thin layer. So I usually take it on a Q-tip because the cotton kind of absorbs the excess glue, and just wait for like 20 seconds for it to turn a little transparent, because then it gets way more tacky and it sticks perfectly to your eye. So you take your lash on a tweezer. You can see the difference. This is my natural lashes and this is fake lashes. So I hope this video would help you put on your lash like that, and do let us know what are your other makeup challenges and we will get back to you on those with solutions. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to keep yourself updated for more such videos. Don't forget to download the MyGlamm app, and to watch another how to makeup video, click right here.